Hello, welcome to this video. In this particular video, I'll be walking you through on how you can install your 𝘎𝑖𝑙 application, create your wallet, and also import your OPBNB address into the coin list. So if you're coming to my channel for the first time, do well to click on the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on your bell notification so that you don't miss out on the update that I dropped on this channel. And also you can drop your comment after watching this video. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is to come to your Play Store. You understand? You come to your Play Store. If you're using Apple, if you're using Apple phone, you can go to your Apple Store. So I come to search here and I go to search on the top. This is Android I'm using, so sorry, I go to the search on the top. So I'll search for 𝘎𝑖𝑙, though I already have it on my phone. So you take the first one that pops up, so I select it. So this is already, I have it on my phone. So what you're going to see here is install. So you need to install it. So after installing it, you will need to open it. So I click on open. So when you click on open, you'll be able to see these options: create new wallet, add existing, connect hardware, and this. So you're going to select this one. You're going to select this one, which is create. But in case if it creates automatically, I'm also going to show you what to do. So I click on create. It's going to create. So after that, you're going to put your password. So I put my password and I click on create now. Create now. So it's creating my wallet. It's done now. So the next thing I will need to click here is to click on backup now. To click on backup now, and I will select manual backup manually. So I click on that. So I'm going to tick these boxes, click here, and click on this one. So this is it here. Then you put your password again. Now it has opened. I know that you are not seeing the screen. It's going to be blank from your own end because it's protected. So but I'm saying it, I'll be able to write down these phrases, write it down correctly on my diary or jota or note, anywhere that you think that is going to be safe. Just write it down there correctly. So I'm done writing it down, and note that you are writing everything in small letter. None should be in capital letter. So I'm done now. So what I need to do is that I'll click on next, which is at the bottom here. So I go to next and I need to select it correctly in this next page. So select it, this So I'm done now. So I need to click on verify. So I click on verify on the bottom. Now this is my account. So the next thing we need to do now after backing up is to click here, click on this three dots here. You are seeing it here, this particular one under more. Click on it. So I click on it and click on manage coins. I click on manage coins. So here you just you can switch all of these ones off. So I'm done switching them off. So I'll click on here to search for OPBNB. Just type OP. So you select the fourth one. So this is it here. So select this one, which is the fourth one. So that is the only thing that I have here on my screen. You understand? So you click on it, OPBNB, you'll be able to copy your wallet address by clicking on receive. You understand? So that is all that you need to do. So both downloading the SafePal application, creating your wallet, backing it up, and copying your wallet address for funding. You understand? So that is all for this video. So the next video I'll be walking you through how you will do the registration. Alright, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button if you haven't, and also give this video turn on your bell notification so that you don't miss out on my updates. Thank you and have a nice day. See you in my next video.